Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make roll samosa, only way. Start by preparing a dough using all-purpose flour, salt, water, and a little oil until smooth. Then sauté onions, spices, potatoes, and peas and cool the mixture before rolling. Divide dough into equal balls, roll thin, fill with spiced mix, and seal the edges tight. Fry or bake until golden and crisp, then serve hot with chutney. I'll walk you through simple filling tips that make roll samosa taste amazing. Use mashed potatoes with a mix of cumin, coriander, garam masala, and a pinch of sugar for balance. Add sautéed onions, green chili, and fresh cilantro for texture and aroma. Cool the filling completely before using to prevent soggy layers. Taste and adjust salt and spice, remembering fillings should be bold but not overpowering the crisp pastry. Quick recommendation: if you love recipes, grab a Kindle Paperwhite to read anywhere and keep your phone safe from splatters while you cook. It's compact, has a crisp display, and long battery life, which makes following multi-step recipes convenient. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Shape and seal steps are crucial for perfect roll samosa texture and crunch. Roll dough thinner than a regular samosa, keeping edges slightly thicker for strength. Brush water or flour paste on edges to ensure a tight seal that won't open during frying. Fill modestly to avoid bursting, then roll evenly, maintaining uniform thickness. Fry at medium-high heat until evenly golden, or bake for a lighter version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.